What if one of the simplest morning drinks could quietly change the way your body feels during the day? No expensive powders, no complicated recipes, no miracle promises, just chia seeds and warm water. It sounds almost too simple, but sometimes the body responds best to small habits repeated every morning with consistency. Chia seeds are tiny, but once they touch water, they transform. They absorb liquid and create a soft gel around them. This natural gel is one of the reasons chia has become so popular among people who want better digestion, more satiety, and a gentler start to the day. When you drink chia with warm water in the morning, you are not shocking your body. You are giving it hydration, fiber, and nutrients in a slow and steady way. After a night of sleep, your body wakes up slightly dehydrated. You may not notice it immediately, but your organs, your digestion, your brain, and even your energy level depend on water. Many people start the day with coffee before giving the body plain hydration. Coffee can be part of a morning routine, but water should come first. Warm water feels softer on the stomach, especially for people who wake up with heaviness, bloating, or slow digestion. Now add chia seeds to that warm water and the drink becomes more interesting. Chia seeds contain fiber, plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, minerals, and antioxidants. But the most noticeable effect for many people comes from the fiber. This fiber may help support regular bowel movement, especially when the seeds are properly soaked. A spoon of dry chia swallowed quickly is not the best idea. Chia needs water. When it expands before you drink it, it becomes easier for the body to handle. Many people are surprised by how full they feel after drinking chia water. This is because the gel-like texture slows digestion and can help reduce sudden hunger. If you often wake up hungry, eat quickly, and then feel hungry again after 1 hour, chia water may help you start the day with more control. It is not a magic weight loss drink, but it can support better appetite balance when combined with healthy meals. For people after 50 or 60, this morning habit may be even more interesting. With age, digestion can become slower, hydration is often forgotten, and many people do not get enough fiber. Chia with warm water can be a gentle way to add fiber without preparing a large meal, but moderation is important. More chia does not mean more benefits. Too much fiber too quickly can cause gas, bloating, or discomfort. Start with 1 small teaspoon in a glass of warm water. Let it sit for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Stir it well and see how your body reacts. Another reason people like chia water is its possible effect on energy. Unlike sugary drinks, chia does not give you a fast spike followed by a crash. Its fiber helps slow the absorption of carbohydrates from the meal you eat afterward. This may help you feel steadier in the morning. If you usually drink sweet juice or eat pastries for breakfast, replacing that habit with chia water and a balanced meal can make a real difference over time. Chia seeds are also known for their plant-based omega-3 fats. These fats are not the same as the omega-3 found in fish, but they still have a place in a healthy diet. They can support general wellness, especially when your overall food choices include vegetables, fruits, legumes, whole grains, olive oil, nuts, and enough protein. Chia alone will not protect the heart, clean the arteries, or cure disease. But as part of a smart routine, it can be a useful ally. Some people like to add lemon juice to chia water, others add a little cinnamon, a few drops of honey, or even a slice of ginger. These additions can improve the taste, but the basic version is enough. Warm water and chia seeds. Simple, clean, and easy. If you add honey, use a small amount, especially if you watch your blood sugar. The goal is not to turn a healthy drink into a sweet dessert. There is one important warning. If you have swallowing problems, serious digestive issues, or you take medication that requires careful timing, speak with a healthcare professional before making chia water a daily habit. Chia absorbs water and expands, so it should never be eaten dry in large amounts. Also, if you take blood-thinning medication, diabetes medication, or blood pressure medication, it is better to ask your doctor because diet changes can sometimes affect your body's response. The best time to drink chia water is usually in the morning before breakfast or with breakfast. But do not force yourself. Some people feel better drinking it 30 minutes before eating. Others prefer it with a light breakfast. The key is to watch your body. Do you feel lighter? Do you feel less hungry? Is your digestion more comfortable, or do you feel bloated? Your body gives answers if you listen. A good morning routine could be very simple. Prepare a glass of warm water, add 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, stir, Wait until the seeds swell, then drink slowly. After that, eat a balanced breakfast, such as oats with fruit, eggs with vegetables, yogurt with nuts, or whole grain toast with avocado. Chia water works best when the rest of the morning supports it. The beauty of this drink is that it teaches us something important. Health is not always about extreme changes. Sometimes it begins with a glass, a spoon, and a decision. A decision to hydrate before rushing, a decision to give your digestion something gentle, a decision to start the day with more awareness. So, if you have never tried chia with warm water in the morning, begin slowly. Give your body a few days to adapt. Do not expect miracles overnight, but pay attention to small signs. Better digestion, less snacking, a calmer stomach, and a more stable start to the day can already be valuable changes. Your body may be surprised not because chia is magical, but because simple habits repeated every day can become powerful. And sometimes the smallest seeds can remind us that real wellness often starts quietly, one morning at a time.